Hi, my name is Katherine Hoover. I'm a registered and licensed dietitian with Face2Face Gym. I'm committed to making nutrition realistic and fundamental for everyday life. I'm passionate about wellness and believe that food should be enjoyable. I can help you achieve your goals by providing nutrition guidance via online classes as well as online activities, such as a virtual pantry makeover, where I would view your pantry via webcam and make suggestions of foods to decrease or avoid and foods to include. I could also help you with grocery store guidance, including creating balanced, budget-friendly lists, as well as menu and meal planning suggestions and guidance. I look forward to working with you and helping you achieve a happy, healthy life. Thank you.